1/2 cup vinegar or suka, 1/4 cup soy sauce. Totally optional, guys. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, added flavor. 8 cloves garlic, minced garlic. 1/2 teaspoon ground pepper or whole black peppercorn if you have. Totally optional, guys. Just a pinch of annatto powder or achuete powder just for that extra redness color. Let's combine it. 4 pounds bone in with skin on chicken thighs. Now we are going to pour the marinade into the chicken. I'm also adding 10 pieces dried bay leaves. You can crush the bay leaves so the flavor will go through. Now heating 1/4 cup of cooking oil, canola oil, and you see this after marinating it for overnight. I put the chicken pieces into paper towel just to remove some of the liquid because I don't want it to splatter as I fry it. After 5 minutes, turn it over. Pan is already cleaned. I removed the oil and I cleaned the pan, and now I'm adding the leftover marinade into the pan. I am now bringing the leftover marinade into a boil. I'm going to add all the chicken pieces that I fried earlier. Why am I doing this, guys? The chicken was already marinated overnight for like 12 hours, and the flavors are already developed, meaning it's already salty because we added soy sauce to it. Now, if you are going to boil it like most people do, it just tend to be very, very salty, so I don't want to do that. I want to fry the chicken first and then use the leftover marinade to braise my chicken. Now I'm adding a tiny bit, like 1/4 cup of chicken broth. I'm using medium heat. 5 minutes, and look at this. We are now removing the chicken. As you can see, the broth. Before it completely dries out, add your watercress, your kangkong, and now we are going to make adobong kangkong as well. Guys, you don't have to do anything. Just make sure that the broth absorbs the leaves. Okay, done. Don't overcook it. 2 minutes, low heat. That's it. And to all of you, my dear friends sa Facebook, Instagram, at sa aking YouTube channel, thank you very much for liking and giving positive comments, and of course, sharing my cooking videos. More dishes to come. Alright, until the next time, love you everybody. Bye.